पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्य कृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। So Panchikaran, it is a very important part. It's called Panchikaran, grossification of the five elements. Still, creation is subtle. It is not visible. Now, the creation becomes grossified. In Vedanta, we call it Panchikaran. Here is written, you take your book, एतेषां पंचमहाभूतानां तामसांशस्वरूपम् एकम् एकं भूतं द्विधा विभाज्य एकम् एकम् अर्धं पृथक् व्यवस्थां परमम् अर्धं चतुर्धा विभाज्य स्व अर्धम् अन्येषु अर्धेषु स्वभाग चतुष्टय संयोजनं कार्यं तदा पंचीकरणं भवति. Very important part. And very important, but they have made a chart very good. You can easily understand. It is, I read Sanskrit, I explain it. The meaning is, now comes tamas. We have done sattvic aspect, we have done rajas aspect. Now comes tamasic aspect. So because of tamasic aspect, तेषां पंचमहाभूतानां tamas ansha sarupam. The tamas aspect of each the five elements divide into two equal parts. So now you are seeing your screen. There is written space. This is not full space. This is 50% space. And 50% space is द्विधा विभाज्यम एकम एकम अर्धम पृथक व्यवस्थाम अपि अपरम अपरम अर्धम चतुर्धा विभाज्य. So this is space, and we divide into two parts. One is 50%, another part is 50%. So 50% is space. First I read Chaturdha Vibhajya. Another part of 50%, it should be divided into four parts. It means 12.5. 12.5, 12.5, 12.5. Vibhajya Swadharma Annesu Ardhesu. C. Yes, good. This is a chart. So now look. 50 in this space, in grossification, what happened? Because of tamoguna, space we have divided into two parts. So this is a 50% space. And another part, 12.5 is here, 12.5 is fire, 12.5 is water, 12.5 is earth. So now this is a complete space. In grossification, any elements not pure. It is a mist. But a proportion. So 50% there is a space, 12.5 here, 12.5 is fire, 12.5 is water, 12.5 is earth. So this is grossification of the space. Now next. Now comes air. Air. So now we divide into air two parts. 50% here. Thus this is air part. Then the 12.5% other four elements be mixed with the air. So see in the screen. This is space. This is fire. And this is water. And this is earth. So in the air also we divide into two parts. 50% is air, 12.5% is space, 12.5% is fire, 12.5% is water, 12.5% is earth. So this is a grossified air. This is a grossified, panchikrit. In Sanskrit we call it panchikrit, grossified. So this is next one. These are fire. In sequence, space, air, then fire. So fire also we divide into two parts, 50%. So first 50% it is in fire. Then in fire we mix 12.5% space, 12.5% air, and 12.5% water, and 12.5% earth. So this is a complete fire. This is a grossified fire. This is a visible fire. Okay. So now next. Then comes water. We take water and we divide into two parts. 50% is with water and 50% other portion is not only water, it is 12.5% space and 12.5% air, 12.5% fire, and 12.5% is earth. So now this is a grossified water. Okay, now final. Now we come in earth. So earth, we divide into two parts. So 50% the part is on earth and 12.5% there is space, 12.5% air, and 12.5% is fire, and 12.5% is water. So now this is a complete earth. This is the Panchikaran, grossification, 5 elements. This is a final chart. You can see on screen. Very good job. Very easy to understand. So this is a Panchikaran, grossification. This is a tamasic aspect. So before Panchikaran, there was only subtle elements. Subtle elements are not visible. But after Panchikaran, after grossification, these elements becomes visible. So I think now you can understand very easily. So now next mantra. एतेभ्यः पंचीकृत महाभूतेभ्यः स्थूल शरीरम भवति. So Tattva says next, from these 5 grossified elements, the gross body is formed. After Panchikaran, after grossification, then our gross body is formed. Without because now they are grossified. So this is the creation sequence. Sthula Shariram Bhavati. Sthula Shariram Bhavati. Our gross body now come into existence. And then, so now, after Panchikaran, after Panchikrit, grossification, then comes trees, medicines, foods, Annam Ausadhaya in Upanishads are written, Tata Annam Ausadhaya. So after Panchikaran, after the grossification of the five elements, then becomes trees, foods, plants, everything, sun, moon. Lastly, our body comes into existence. Because everything is for our body. God had perfect plan for creation. What we do, we invent those things when we require. When we require, we invent. When we feel hungry, we search for food. When we thirsty, we search for water. Because we are not so good planner. We work according to our desire, requirement. So medical science or science every day is doing discoveries, theories. But after some time they reject. This is not proper theory, this is not proper theory. Because they are not all knowing. They know something and they reject. But God is know everything. So he knows what to do. That is why he planned the creation. Maya, five elements, then sense organs, five prana, mind, action, organ for actions. So these are 24. You remember the topic was 24 Tattva Utpatti, the creation of 24 elements. So these are 24, 5 elements, 5 sense organs, 5 action of organ, 5 prana, and 4 inner instruments. So these are 25. एतेभ्यः पंचीकृत महाभूतेभ्यः स्थूल शरीरम भवति. So from these 5 grossified elements, gross body is formed. Now our gross bodies comes into existence. So these are all creation. These are all creation. And God has pre-planned everything. If you take birth, your food, God already prepared. So this is a creation. So Panchikaran, you have charts, read it properly, keep in mind. So today we stop here and Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Kesavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmiti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshina Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.